Hi, Bob Summers here, and I want to welcome you to our series on local search. Now, folks, if you have a brick and mortar business, you absolutely want to understand how this process works. If you don't have a brick and mortar business, you still want to understand how this works because people are using local search to find local businesses to solve their problems. Let me start by encouraging you, if you have not signed up for the Internet Marketing Association of Hawaii, please do so right now. Just go to imahawaii.com and you'll find this and a variety of other videos and some wonderful training tools, particularly if you have a Hawaii-based business. As a member of this site. Well, let me show you something interesting now. This is a 2008 study, and here's what they found. Search engines are now the #1 media type consumers use to find local businesses. Now, in the past, we used to think that people use the internet to find, worldwide stuff, but now for local search, internets are the #1 place people are going. And for the first time in 2008, the internet, search engines, and local search engines, and I'll tell you more about those in a minute, surpassed the yellow pages for searches. So here's the deal. It almost doesn't matter what business you're in right now. Whether you have a coffee store, a gas station, a donut shop, doesn't matter. If you have a local-based business with local customers, the majority of your customers are now finding you using local search engines in lieu of the yellow pages. And that trend is continuing to grow. Well, let's go back here, and I want to show you what local search looks like. Now, to start with, my son Josh has a computer repair business. And let's assume that I am doing a local search for a computer repair business here on the island of Maui in the city of Kihei. So let's just type in computer repair. Let's see, R-E-P-A-I-R. And I'm going to put the zip code in there, 96753. Now, and here are the results. And by the way, this is how most people that are doing a local search do it. They'll either type in the zip code or the city. So I could have put computer repair Kihei. I want you to notice a couple of things. This is what's known as the Google 10 pack. And Google lists the top 10, what they perceive to be the most relevant results for computer repair on Maui in Kihei. The #1 location under the A spot is Comp Maui, Maui Computer Repair. Now, this is my son's business. He's in the top position because not only does he have a great computer repair business, but he understands how to get to the top. He's an internet marketer full-time along with computer repair, so he understands how this process works, and that's what we're going to show you in these videos. I also want you to notice that there are 2,350 competing web pages for the term computer repair 96753, computer repair Kihei, etc. So with over 2,000 competing businesses, or competing web pages anyway, he is in the top position. But let's go down past what's called the Google 10 pack and look at the #1 organic result. And if we look at this, here's Maui Computer Repair, Comp Maui, one more time. So again, my son, his business is in the #1 organic position after you look at the Google Maps. If you look at this, you'll notice it's not his site though. It goes to merchantcircle.com if you look at that web address. Now, this is another one of the local search engines. So what we're going to do over the course of these videos is show you how to get to the top of the search engine result page on Google and all of the other local search engines. And by the way, some of those include Merchant Circle, City Search, Yelp, the Internet Yellow Pages, Google Local, Yahoo, etc., etc. But the goal is to get to the top of all of those sites. Now, before we go, I want to show you one other thing. Let's go back to the Internet Marketing Association of Hawaii. These are the Java Gyms we put on. They're completely free. They're after-hours get-togethers, and we usually hold them in a coffee shop, and we can have as many as 10 to 12 people in attendance. But let's click on the local search Java Gym. I want to show you what we teach there and what I'm going to show you in these videos. Well, you can also go to the calendar of events here and see when and where we're putting on all of these different internet marketing programs. But under the local search, here's some of the stuff we talk about at the Java Gyms and the things we're going to talk about in this video series. What is local search, and how does it work? A lot of people don't even have a clue that it exists, but it is by far the #1 ways customers are currently finding your business, and a lot of people aren't even aware of that. What are the local search engines, and how can you get your business not only listed for free, but at the top of those local search engines? We're going to show you how to do that in those videos. one of the other things that's really important are the reviews. Your customers go to these search engines all the time and write reviews. Well, I'm going to show you how to get 5-star reviews on a regular basis. It's really important because Google and the other search engines pay attention to how many reviews do people get and what kind of ratings are people giving your business. And then finally, we're going to talk about really how to move to the top of the search engines. That's really important. Here's what we know. 41% of all of the clicks when I go to a particular page, and we can go back to this page for just a moment, 41% of all the clicks are on the very top result. Now, again, this is something that Google and Yahoo and the rest don't want you to know, but something is kind of leaked out there that this is the number. The other 59% of all the clicks take place amongst all of the other possible websites on this page. So that's why you want to be at the very top, because you will get the lion's share of clicks. And folks, let me tell you something. You don't have to pay for Yellow Pages ads when you do this. You don't have to pay the search engines to be listed on their site. You don't have to pay for Google ads, a cost per click, $1 a click, $5 a click. This is all organic and it's all free. And we literally get thousands and thousands of visitors to our website, and this is one of the ways that we do it. And this is how my son gets a lot of his business for being the computer repair guy in Kihei. All right, stay with us. I'm going to show you how all of this is done on the next set of videos, or the next series of videos. And in the meantime, let me encourage you to sign up for IMA Hawaii, the Internet Marketing Association of Hawaii, where you'll be able to find these videos and all kinds of additional great information to show you how to get traffic to your site and how to get customers to walk in the door of your Hawaii-based business. See you on the next video. Thank you.